This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Madhya Pradesh State Election Commission has started preparations for next year's municipal and panchayat election. To make the voting process more transparent and fair, the commission is planning to introduce live webcasting at polling stations. State Election Commissioner Manoj Srivastava shared the proposal while addressing a state-level training workshop for sub-district election officers and masters trainees. He said election officials must pay attention to every small details because even a minor mistake can reduce public trust in the election process. He also asked officers to clear all their doubts during training, share useful suggestions and work together to ensure free, fair, peaceful and well-managed elections across the state. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the state is becoming one of India's leading states in renewable energy. Speaking at the 7th International Renewable Energy Conference in New Delhi, he said Madhya Pradesh is fully committed to helping India achieve its target of 500 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel energy capacity by 2030. He added that the state is making fast progress in renewable energy, energy storage and green industrial development. Before attending the conference, the Chief Minister travelled from the airport to Shivaji Stadium using Delhi Metro's Airport Express line. He said the journey showed his support for clean, environment-friendly public transport as the Delhi Metro uses a large amount of solar energy in its operations. Senior Congress leader Avdesh Nayak has been given a major responsibility after the party's victory in the Datia Assembly by-election. Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee President Jitu Patwari, with the approval of State in charge Harish Chaudhary, has appointed Nayak as the party's State General Secretary. The appointment order was issued on Thursday. The party has asked him to strengthen the organization by following its policies, principles and discipline. Congress leaders believe his experience will help expand the party's activity and improve coordination among workers across Madhya Pradesh. Raj Lakshmi, the elephant involved in the death of an auto driver in Indore, has been shifted to Ujjain. The elephant is now being kept at Nirmohi Akhara in Khak Chowk with chain on all four legs for safety. On July 26, Raj Lakshmi reportedly lifted auto driver Vijay Holkar with his trunk, threw him to the ground and then crashed him. Vijay suffered serious injuries and later died during treatment in hospital. Authorities have taken extra precaution while keeping the elephant and are continuing further action in the case. Police in Bhind district have solved the murder of Atar Singh Yadav, who was killed on July 20th in Ghumri village. According to police, the victim's son-in-law and younger brother planned the murder together. Investigators said they wanted to avoid paying the monthly EMI of a car that was purchased in Atar Singh's name. After the crime, the accused reportedly kept the body in the car's boot for nearly 24 hours. They later threw the body under a bridge to mislead the police. Both accused have been arrested. Madhya Pradesh has received only 16.3 inches of rainfall so far this monsoon season, which is 18% below the normal average. The rainfall shortage has created drought-like conditions in many parts of the state. Bhopal has recorded 7% less rain, Indore 2% less and Ujjain 14% less. A total of 49 districts including Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur and Ujjain are facing below normal rainfall. Only 6 districts have received satisfactory rain. Weather officials are closely monitoring the situation as farmers wait for more rainfall.